Now, while Jamaica are still celebrating their fourth hold on the Rugby America's North Sevens Championship, the road to the title wasn't a smooth one, as they had to overcome some challenges. Simon Preston reports.
Due to travel restrictions in the Pacific island of Fiji, Jamaica's coach Waisali Sereve could not make the trip to the Turks and Caicos Islands for the tournament. So veteran player Lucas Roy Smith, who is a licensed coach, stepped in as player coach for the tournament. Roy Smith says he had no problem stepping into the hot seat and was delighted with the effort of the players who beat Mexico 21-7 in the championship decider.
Unbelievably proud of everyone. What it takes to get us here, everyone behind the scenes. It's not just the people that get to come out to these tournaments, it's everyone that makes the effort from Jamaica, America, UK. It's unbelievable. I'm just so proud of the effort boys put in, really putting the heart on the sleeve, working hard for each other. Defence was amazing. Going down to 6 in the second last game, keeping them out was unbelievable. The character from everyone is just great. I'm so proud. I can't really put it into words. It's just an amazing feeling.
Captain O'Shane Eddy says the Crocs had to change their game strategy due to constraints with the pitch in the Turks and Caicos Islands.
Yeah, definitely. The pitch is not the best. We're not used to this type of width. It's almost 50 meters less than what we normally played with. So we had to change our game tactic. We had to go more direct, more up the field, be more creative to let people out. But it worked in our favor. Mexico had a hard time dealing with our aggressive mentality, suffocating them and pressuring them.
The local contingent is expected back on the island on Tuesday. By virtue of winning the Round Sevens title, Jamaica has now qualified for the World Rugby Sevens Challenger Series in February next year. 2022 is slated to be a busy period of action for the Crocs, with the Challenger Series, the Commonwealth Games and the World Cup qualifiers. Simon Preston reporting for TVJ Sports.